foul counted po. Dalawa yung okay lang sana yung tapos.
Foul. Third on you, number 21 mga stop. Dalawang tira yan. Let's see the first. Bingo. 32 to 51. Last throw na yan. Ready jumper. With this. 4 minutes and 10 batang kayo. Here we go, number 8. Angeles to number 40. Inside pass. Yung mga pasa talaga ng ating green shirt. Carlos launches. Rebound number 29. Bautista. Binataan sa lakul. 53 to 34. 19. 3 minutes and 40. Here we come. Johnny A. Libre. Wala nga lang. Mapupunta kay De La Peña. To Mr. Carlos. Here we go. Number 29. Babangga po. Timbangga po. Timbangga po. Kapitan. Sembol. Ricky Hussein playing the ball for the second for the shot. He got on the ball number 10 and this inside pass. Super high. Taxi short pass. Break pass. Johnny. Pinaganda pa talaga. Too much sauce para kay Johnny. Score natin 55 to 34. Here we go, De La Peña. Yes, sir. 3 minutes. Number 14. Inside pass. Deep flank into number 12. Here we go, the red shirt. Blinked on. To number 22, De La Peña. De La Peña pa rin niya inaalam ang kanyang kampi. Balik yung number 29. But there's a legal. That's a foul committed in jersey number 5. The court general, second and you, 30 round, 2 minutes and 40. Official score natin 55 to 36. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Looking for the name of play. Lingard set up to number 22. Benpeña. Rebound number 21. Pass, break pass. Wala na namang bumaba sa depensa number 10. The scoring machine. Yes, sir. A good for 2 on jersey number 10. 57 to 36, 21. 2 minutes and 19. Here goes number 22, De La Peña crossing in the midcourt to number 12. Lingard, ayaw tumira, balik ni De La Peña to Mr. Carlos. Launches a three. Oh! 2 minutes. Here goes number 10. Pasa Malyari na naman. Too much muscle. Big Liman on jersey number 12. To number 8, Carlos. To number 29. Bautista. Pinabayaan na lang. Here's the packaging check on jersey number 29. 38 to 57. 1 minute and 38. Number 21 is slowly dribbling. Lamang tayo, sabi ni mga Spak. Inside pass para kay mga Spak. Wala. Big rebound on number 6, Bautista. Ito, number 29. Take out. Balik Bautista kay Lali. Happen under runs. Para kay jersey number 29. Nakala na siya. 40 to 57. 17. 1 minute and 8. Okay, sige, sir. Here comes jersey number 5, the court general Malyari. Looking for the open man to number 14, mga Spak. Looking for the receiver, 46 on the shot clock. Wait for the passer. Jersey number 10, down to 10, 9, 8. Reset, tapikan, babalik yung mga Spak. Take and a shot. Wala. Rebound, napunta number 10. Time out. Red shirt.
Pagod na pagod. God.
Okay, 42 seconds na lang yan.
Anong pro ang kolisyon?
Yan, 42. Yan, palitan nyo muna si Sir Bautista para sa fourth quarter. Meron siyang press legs. 40 seconds. Here we go, jersey number 4, the Tasmanian Angel. Following it on the bridge, the number 8, Carlos!
Sayang! Telecom Spurs.
Score natin 59 to 43, 24 seconds. 20 seconds on the shot clock, 4 seconds differential between the team clock and the shot clock. Here we go, jersey number 5, for number 21, Payne, and a shot. No! 12 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. Here we go, number 12, Lingard. 7 seconds to Tasmanian Angel. Sayang yung mga rin. Lingard to Carlos. Sayang kung pumasok, ika-counted natin yun. Saktong-sakto. Last quarter na yan, ha? Last quarter na tayo. Yung bola natin, mapupunta sa green. Johnny A. Makas pa. Big Discarte. Balik ni number 10. Delayon penetrate. Kick out to Mr. 32. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds. And that's jersey number 22. Inside that's jersey number 2. Big and a shot. But that was a legal. Tumama. That's illegal contact into the arm. 2 shot firepower number 27. Cap Powell. That's your second cap. Alam mo na, cap. Score natin 61-43. 9 minutes and 22. May dalawang timeout sa red, sa green, 3.
Nice, Will! Will! Kuha-kuha!
Here goes Tom Powley, brings down the ladder. Number 27, penetrate, using the body. Deflected on the way, 302 back ring to the stand.
Nangyari!
Sayang naman, idol. Here goes jersey number 10, the scoring machine. Pasa sa ilalim, dito. Yes, sir. That's a big body. A wide body para ng number 30-42. Here we go, number 22, Dalapena. Looking for receiver, Tasmanian Angel. No, rebound, D2. Here we go, number 10, the scoring machine. De Leon. Simon. De Leon out. De Leon. Out na muna, sir.
Talaga
8
naman.
minutes and 35 for the last and final quarter. Inbound in the ball para ni De Leon to Cap Paule. Inside pass. Shot lock 10, 9, 8. Deflected, recover for the red shirt. Outlet pass. Tasmania. Oh! Number 22, hand time. Wala pa rin. Nakasaraya. Yung bonus ng ring sa ating red shirt. Ito. Sayang naman. Here we go to the Tasmanian Angel. Follow you to Carlos, the sniper. Oh, an easy rebound on number 34 against 2. And that jersey number 10 slowly dribbling. De Leon, kick out. Makas back. Alam na this. That's illegal jaywalking on you, huh? That's a moonwalk violation. Here we go, number 22, Dalapena, stop and pump shot. And a miss. Big rebound para kay number 4, the P1. To number 29, no. Rebound number 21. Zero. Labanan talaga ng malalaki sa ilalim. Kita-kita mo naman yung depensa. Here comes number 29. Ikaw, Aberses. Way off the mark. Bubot pa na sa 29. Matrusa-risan mo. 2 sets tayo, ha? Pa talaga. Foul of number 10 for Broad with 2 works on you. Second team foul. 2 shots awarded on Mr. Bautista. Walang tira. Ala defense. Last throw. 7 minutes and 20. Yun ang oras natin. Mga boss ano, ha? Score lang yung nandito. Score natin 63 to 45. 18 na kalamangan. ine-enjoy ng ating green shirt. Here it is, jersey number 10, De Leon, balik ni Cap Paule, shot clock 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, reset. Di ginawa ng number 6. Okay, sir. Here we go, jersey number 8, Carlos, Stevie Scarpe, kita ko na mabenta matatabigan ni mga spot. Johnny, 3-on-2 pass break, De Leon, kailangan pa bang memory siya, sabi ni Cap Paule. Easy back in jet, 65 to 45, balik sa 20, Carlos, the sniper, kapatid yata ni Carlos siya, magaling talaga. Yung isa Carlos, yung point guard din. 48 to 65. Here we got jersey number 14 to Mr. De Leon. 6 minutes and 15. De Leon pa rin yan on the Bulls. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. De Leon to Mr. Paule. Down to 10, 9, 8. But there's a whistle goal. That's upon the foul. Number 29 sub tayo. Number 14, mga spot out pa muna. Number 29, that's your second. First team now. Here we got jersey number 10, De Leon. Shot clock 10, 9, 8, reset, rebound, the sniper, Carlos, transition pass, sakto, para ina-slate ng Angel, mabibitaw. Jumbo tayo, symbol lang yan. Symbol.
Pero si Jur.
5 minutes and 47 for the last and final quarter, 16 seconds to shoot. The score natin, 65 to 48. 17. Here comes number 4, Baloyot to number 29, attacking, tira, wala, rebound, the court general, ito, looking left, looking right, number 5, Malyari! Saktong puntos na ngayong gabi. Si Mr. Court General Malyari, 67 to 48. Here we go, number 8, the sniper, same spot, not this time. 5 minutes and 19 pa tayo, but there's a whistle goal. That's a foul of jersey number 8, Carlos. There's a new second team down. Here we got jersey number 10, milking the clock. 14 seconds to shoot. De Leon, kick out, Malyari, shot clock 10, 9, 8, deflected on number 22, Tamapi. Here we got number 4, Tatasmin. Angel finally naka-score na rin sa fourth quarter. Number 10, De Leon, baba kayo, sabi ni number 10, De Leon, the scoring PO. Kick out, another time is Amen, inside pass, another bad pass. Here comes number 29, Bautista. Yes, sir. Here we go, jersey number 5. Looking for the setup play, Malyari. 14 seconds on the shot clock. The court general, balik ni Paule. Sa ilalim, number 10, shot clock 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, at may kasama ng foul! Basket is good and a foul on number 22, De La Peña. Bonus play now, Harney, the court general, nausok tuloy. Here we go, number 22, De La Peña, 3-on-3, inside pass, Tasmanian. Wala na, 4 minutes. Good ball lang yan, kapitan. Red ball tayo, bigay nyo muna sa referee. Yan. 69 to 52, this is the na naman. Here we go, the Tasmanian Angel. Bautista! No! Rebound, number 91. Good ball. Good ball yan. To number 27. Paule, 2-on-1. Malyari, inside pass. Sumobra ka lang yung tira ni Mr. Angeles. 3 minutes and 33 pa tayo. Counter attack. De La Peña. Bumomba. Bingo. Number 27 foul. Stevie Scarpe. Penetrate. Miss it out. Ayan talaga yung mga paborito ni Cap. Kapag sumabay ka, ipapasa. Kapag hindi, Ititira yan. Number 29 Bautista against Manlari. Pinagpasok isa at may kasama pang foul. Hashtag is good and a foul on number 21. Number 21, isa, dalawa, tatlo. Apat ka na. Apat na si number 21. 13 now, bonus 3 over number 29. Ito. 57 to 60. To 69. Ito, agaw na naman ni number 22, 2 minutes and 48. He's stopping on John. Running from the foul, number 21. Here comes Carlos, the sniper. No! Another press 14 on the shot clock. Number 29. Bobby. And that's... Oh, may foul tayo. Foul committed to jersey number 8. Angeles warning for penalty. Number 8, Angeles, third on you. Tatlo na yan. Tatlo na, superstar Angeles. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes and 33. Score natin, 69 to 57. 12 na lang. Here comes number 6 to Carlos Launcher. Siyam na lang yan. 69 to 60. Siyam na lang. 2 minutes and 18. Meron pa kayong dalawang timeout. Both teams. Number 27, inside. Kick out. Number 21, fly-by. Shot clock 13, 12, 11, 10. Likat, timeout, sir. Timeout. Fasten your seatbelt. Welcome to the Twilight Zone. Last 2 minutes. Number 29. No. Sayang. Kung pumasok yun, 6 na lang. Kung pumasok. Here we go, jersey number 10, Dalayon, 1 minute and 47 seconds remaining. Number 10, back pedal, 14 seconds on the shot clock, wait for the buzzer. Inside pass, number 21. No! Big develop, number 22, De La Peña to Bautista. Tatakbo ngayon ng ating legend, number 22, De La Peña. Yes, sir! 1 minute and 29, 69 to 62, pito na lang. Pito na lang yan.
Ay, harap!
1 minute and 25 pa tayo. Here we go, number 27, Paule. Atake, kick out, bakas back. No! Rebound, Carlos, 1 minute and 16. Here comes Bautista. Downtown, no! 69 to 62. Ito, inside pass on jersey number 8, fly by. And a shot. Good for 2. Lista mo na. 1 minute and 2 seconds. 71 to 62. Number 8, this time for Carlos.
Yes, sayang.
53 seconds. Naubusan sa ulit. 45 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. The court general Malayari looking for the setup play to Mr. Paule. Down to 10, 9, 8, reset. Tapitan, Tasmania. Here comes jersey number 4. Pasa.
Ano yun?
29 seconds remaining. 29.
Tatlo sila?
Jazz, Paule, rebound number 21. Yes, sir. 17 seconds na lang tayo. Papusin na lang natin yan. Here we go, jersey number 8, Carlos.
Hindi, naka-ano lang. Naka-video.
Launches. Wala. 9 seconds.
Green team wins.
Okay.